I sold Israeli-made Uzis to Muslims.
The best things in life are free.
I sold communist-made bullets to fascists. I even shipped cargo to Afghanistan when they were fighting my fellow Soviets. I never sold to Osama bin Laden, not on any moral grounds. Back then, he was always bouncing checks.
That's what I want.
By the mid-'80s, my weapons were represented in 8 of the world's top 10 war zones. There's no problem leading a double life. It's the triple and quadruple lives that get you in the end. Back then, I carried a French, British, Israeli, and Ukrainian passport and a student visa for the US, but that's another story. I also packed 6 different briefcases, depending on who I was that day and the region of the world I was visiting.